Well, a series of storms are having an impact on even farm workers hit by floods in parts of Northern California. So joining us now is Dr. Belinda Hernandez-Arriaga, Executive Director of Ayudando Latinos as Soñar, which is based in San Mateo County. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, all right, let's talk about this because I know we've seen so many people across the Bay Area be affected by this storm. But can you talk a little bit about how the floods are affecting specifically families within the farm working community?
Well, yes, as you know, Half Moon Bay is a rural community, and so we are located in an area that's very vulnerable to flooding. But this is the first time that we've seen in a long time the damage that it's having, especially in our farm worker community, particularly in our farm worker community housing area. Moonridge has seen a significant amount of damage where majority of farm worker families, agricultural families live. And we've seen many have to move out of their homes, as well as last night we had to provide food to one of the farms that was really impacted by mud, a lot of mud. As you can imagine, the water continues to come and the impact grows. So we're very concerned.
Yeah, no, and absolutely. I also want to know, as far as relief and what you guys do, what kind of efforts are you guys providing for families? How are you able to help them?
Absolutely. Well, right now, what we're hearing from the families is, some of them had lost electricity. And so we were needing to getting food out to them. Others were placed in hotels. And so really working to dispatch support to them there as well. And others have lost days off at work, time at work, wages, and their belongings. We're hearing about families losing their beds, furniture, clothing. So families having to start all over. But right now, really dealing with just still staying safe and trying to get out the basic needs. We've been getting blankets out to them, flashlights, as we said, first aid, food, and just trying to keep them safe, knowing that they're not alone in this and that we're going to pull together to make sure they feel supported during this time of crisis.
Yeah, you mentioned missing work, and I know a lot of families can't afford to miss a day's worth of work. And you also talked about working together. That's something that we've seen throughout this storm is how people are supporting each other. How can people help when it comes to this?
Absolutely. I can't say enough how we've had an outpouring of support from the community to be here for us. We are going to see many families that are going to need economic relief because we're coming out of the pandemic. We're coming on the heels of this inflation crisis. And now being hit with this, it's one other layer. So people want to donate. They can come to our website, www.alasdreams.com. We have a flood relief site. We are getting the funds directly out to the victims and supplies, food, economic relief, and in the weeks to come as well. So thank you so much for covering this story and the concern that we have for this community.
Yeah, important to talk about. All right, Dr. Belinda Hernandez-Arriaga, thanks so much for joining.